So I'm heading out to the West Fork Trail today, and it's a little overcast. I don't think we're expecting any rain today, but maybe it'll keep the trail a little bit cool. So this is the start of the West Fork Hike Trail. Got some beautiful mountains already. There's a view upriver. And there's a view downriver. This is a darkling beetle. I'm not sure what that is, but there is a trail out there. Let's go take a look and see if there's anything interesting there. Oh, looks kind of like a holding pond for water. These are beautiful periwinkle flowers. Just before reaching the canyon entrance, you'll come across the ruins of the Mayhew Lodge. The lodge was operational from 1925 to 1968, when the Mayhew family could no longer continue to operate the lodge and sold it to the Forest Service. During its time, famous guests such as President Herbert Hoover, Clark Gable, Jimmy Stewart, Walt Disney, Maureen O'Hara, and Susan Hayward all stayed at the lodge. Looked like this was a natural hollow that they made into a kind of room. Guess it's not a secret anymore. This is a western waterleaf plant.
Well, this is the first of the many river crossings. Okay, let's see if I can get across without getting wet. Okay.
This is an Arizona lupine. I think this is a variety of a cliff rose plant. This is a Canadian white violet.
Based on the location of this debris over here on this tree, you can see how far the level of this river rises. There's a huge tree that took a tumble. There's yet another river crossing. See all the rocks and boulders strewn along the stream. And there is yet another river crossing. There's some beautiful water-carved sandstone here. It's got ripples and ridges. And there's a big deep groove right there that's been etched out by the water. I know the trail is kind of pretty washed out around here. I'm not sure if I'm on the right trail, the right side. Guess I gotta get back on the other side.
This is a yellow-eyed junco. It's a member of the sparrow family.
There's a big bundle of rocks there, which I guess marks the trail. And then you got the river crossing right there.
This is an adolescent yellow-eyed junco.
There's quite a few little fishes in the clear water over here. There you can see a water strider too. All this has been carved out by the river rushing when it's really high. Okay folks, I'm heading back now. I didn't get to the very end, but there's nothing really more spectacular to see that I haven't seen already along the way. And it's starting to get a little bit dark. There may be some rain clouds coming, so I'm gonna head back, head home, and that's about it. Thanks for joining me on this trip. Well folks, one final entry log. It's starting to rain now. It's coming down. You probably can't see it, but it's coming down pretty good. And I've just started my trip back. Hopefully it'll stop soon. You can hear the pitter-patter. You can see all the raindrops on the rocks here. And I have quite a ways to go back because I've come quite a ways in. Looks like someone painted the sides with a kind of blue and white paint, but that's all natural. Almost at the end of the trail. Just one last look down along the path here.